It's good. I honestly couldn't put it down. Read it in one sitting. I think it's Nietzsche's best. Maybe his least accessible, but worth the pain. He killed himself after writing it.
Oh, yeah? Think we ever truly evolve?
Well, it depends how hungry you are. Oh, that kid's gonna have PTSD. In this gay part of town, though, that means, playgrounds to, Sandy Daddy. Playgrounds to Sandy Daddy.
Yeah, well, back in my day, we didn't have playgrounds. Just chat rooms and AOL.
Hey, you wanna grab a drink sometime?
Sure.
Hey, you put your phone number in there. I'm Ben.
Sam.
ASL.
ASL?
Yeah.
Age, sex, location, really?
Yeah.
Age, 26. Sex, male. Location, Bed-Stuy.
What are you doing right now?
I have a friend's thing and a month worth of laundry to do, so. But I don't really feel like doing any of it.
Age, 13 and a half. Sex, yes. Location, dangerously close to a cute boy.
Out of surgery. It's temporary.
Do they know?
What about you?
Yeah. My mom was like, son, you've made your bed. Now fucking it. Well, she wasn't that cool, but she was very supportive.
I wish.
You should tell him.
Nah.
You should. So I still don't get it. What do you do?
Data tech. They sort through big data. Everything from TV networks to government. When did you know?
That I liked boys? I guess I was 8 or 9.
What happened to your arm?
I get tested every few months.
Oh, no, I'm turned on.
Oh, yeah? What about you?
I don't know.
Come on.
This door next door. We used to have sleepovers. I hate fireworks.
The sound of freedom?
Who's freedom?
They're not fireworks, they're sparklers.
How do I hold it?
You gotta bend over.
You're a sick gay.
Are you seeing someone? You're glowing. You're pregnant with blood. You're practically dilated. What's his name? What's his name?
Sam! Sam! His name's Sam. Jesus. Sam!
What are you doing here?
I've been waiting for like an hour. I thought you were raiding more tombs.
I'll go to San Francisco for a couple days.
Okay. I get it. Gotta go to San Francisco. You gotta escape.
Listen, I'm the only black guy at work, and it's hard enough being the only black guy, let alone gay, so you can't just show up at my work.
I get it. You're the only black guy, can't be a faggot in public. What are you doing?
Not like that.
I never should have told.
It's not about that.
Listen, I don't understand. I don't know why I can't bring my boyfriend flowers at work.
What?
Come on.
This is moving too fast. This is moving too fast.
You're gonna miss your flight.
And I'm going. Told them I had an emergency. My boyfriend went missing. She smiled when you told her?
I don't know. It's on the phone. I think so.
Did you tell her I was black?
Yeah. You should tell your dad.
Tell him what?
You know.
Nah, I'm good.
Ooh, you'll feel real. Trust me. Feels good. Transparency feels good.
Tell his pastor.
Oh, people change.
Ben, I grew up in a church. I can't just tell my dad, hey, I'm fucking this dude. He's coming over for dinner.
Whoa, easy, Tiger.
Hey, listen, just be cool, okay? Don't look at me like, you know, he's very...
Perceptive? Obviously not. Come
Man.
on. Come on.
Sammy Davis Jr. in the flesh.
Dad, this is bad.
Hey, good to meet you.
Hi, Ben.
I guess it's been a few years since I tried to tell someone. Yeah, he still won't kiss me in public, but he's great. It's great.
How long have you been out?
It's a couple months.
Couple months.
How long have you been like this?
Seeing doctors, you mean? I don't know, like 3 years. Hey, what would you do if you're gonna die in a year?
Shut up. What was that? You already knew I was uncomfortable. I don't know any of your friends, and you just put me on the spot?
Sam, you were incredible.
You have no idea what it's like to be the other.
I'm sorry you felt like the other.
Look, if I'm some prop you can use to show your friends how woke you are, or that interracial relationships are cool, or that you're so liberal-minded, or that you're just trying to diversify yourself, and...
All right. I'm sorry I want to hold your hand in public. I'm sorry I want this relationship to feel real.
Would you date me if I wasn't black?
Hey. I'm sorry. I haven't seen my friends in 6 weeks, okay? And this was the first time they got to meet my real
Please
boyfriend.
don't play the victim.
Okay. All right. You were just trying to tell me how you felt last night, and I should have listened instead of feeling attacked. And I'm sorry you went through that last night.
Look, I spent a lot thinking about what we talked about last night.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
No, you don't have to.
No, I don't
You
want
don't
you to
have
feel like this isn't real, you know? Because this is real for me.
I think I just got excited because everyone was meeting you for the first time, and I'm trying to be patient with you not being out, and I'm sorry.
Try not to care about what the world thinks about us.
Babe, the world doesn't think about us. I love you.
You love me?
Do you love me?
I love you.
How are you? This is Sam.
Hey, how's it going?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I didn't get the memo.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, you guys.
Good style.
What? Oh, the shirts? You're so handsome. My goodness, Ben doesn't tell me anything. I'm sure he loves you very much. He must be proud.
Well, I want to tell him.
Sometimes a parent knows, Sam. And they're waiting. You know, they love their children so much. But they hate to see them suffer, and they're truly afraid of pushing them away. If he really thinks in his heart that you're wrong, it's moments like this that'll make him rethink what's right.
Okay, this means a lot to me. Jeez. Whew, that scared me. Ooh. Sam, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
okay, babe?
Just don't touch me.